Because what are you doing today?
We are on the one way near Pearson.
And what is that you have on your hand right there? What do you do with that?
Oh, let's put a parachute thing around.
Oh,
Time
excellent.
to go up!
And can you show me what's in the...
Time for takeoff!
Can you have your parachutes on?
The plane is up!
All right, the plane's up.
We are getting...
Get prepared.
We are going through the clouds.
Are you getting
We are
ready?
just going to get a little bit higher, and when we are ready to pass it, we're just going to get a little bit higher also.
Okay.
Down.
Are you checking all your gear?
We checked it up.
Are you looking out the window?
Yeah.
Woo, you're high up.
It seems like there's a lightning storm coming.
Oh, no, you better hurry. There goes Quinn.
Uh,
There he goes. Woo!
I'm going to stay inside the airplane.
Pull your cord.
I'm going. I put the column up.
All right.
Hey, my parachute is not working.
Oh,
It needs
no.
to turn up.
Uh-oh.
Because they got some. What do
Are you
need?
down yet? Are you down? Did you hit the ground?
Yes.
Successful parachute.
My parachute is not working.
Quinn, can you give me a thumbs
Let
up?
me